Okay, so today we're going to build an AI automation to reach out to people who went through a property for viewing and to get rid of the tire kickers that come through, basically. The benefits of this, obviously, it saves a hell of a lot of agent time. You don't have to ring everyone back. You can reach buyers before other agents do because basically you can contact everyone at once. It's a professional way to reach out to people, and also, as I said earlier, weeds out the tire kickers, the people who have just come through the property, to have a quick bit of a squeeze and with no intention of buying.
Okay, so into my computer here, this is how we're going to create this solution. Using GoHighLevel, which is marketing automation software that also has an AI component to it. What we're looking at here is the automation itself. Basically, just run through it quickly. Hopefully you can see my mouse. Basically, a contact is created and there's many different ways in GoHighLevel that you could potentially do this. I'm just going to do it manually through the front ends, basically, to trigger it in this case, as this is just an example. Basically, what first thing we ask, we get conversational AI to ask this question: Hey, is this Sam? Is this John? Because previously we've got the contact, we'll have their first name. We just ask them the first name just to build a bit of rapport and make sure we've got the right person. What happens then is it branches into a number of different possibilities. If the person replies no, we just send an SMS saying, I think it says, oops, sorry, we must have the wrong number. Apologies. Obviously, that's very unlikely it'll go down that route. If we get a positive answer, we'll go to the next question. If it times out and ends. That's after 24 hours. Or if no condition is met, which is basically when the the AI can't understand the particular question, it will just go to no condition met and end. Okay, in most cases, people are going to say, yes, this is John, this is Jane, this is whoever it is. And conversational AI will pick that up. And okay, so the next question it'll ask is, great, this is Sally, the imaginary AI person from Acme Real Estate. I'm Sam from Acme's assistant. In fact, let's fix that up. Sam from Acme's assistant. Just wanted to know what you thought of your inspection today and you can dynamically populate this, but I've just left it in brackets for the time being. Okay, so that's that. Again, if it's negative, I'll go down that branch in a minute, but let's have a look at the others. If no condition is met, basically the AI doesn't understand, nothing will happen. The timeout, again, nothing happens. If it's a positive answer, yes, they did like the property they saw and they perhaps want to do some more about it. We'll go into this particular AI bot, which actually tries to book a conversation or book a calendar invite. If it's negative, again, it'll ask another question. In this case, okay, I've just asked the question, okay, would you be interested in looking at other houses in the same area? This time out, after 1 hour, I might increase that actually to 2. Basically, it's just asking, are they interested in something else? If the answer is yes, it'll send you back and try and book an appointment. If no, it just sends an SMS saying you can reach out to Sam on this imaginary phone number if you need any more assistance. That's in the case of a negative answer. So go to appointment booking conversations AI bots. So this is if we've either got a positive answer that yes, they're interested in looking at the address, or yes, they're perhaps interested in looking at other properties for this agent. This one comes fairly standard with GoHighLevel. I haven't customized this too much simply because this is just an example, and I don't have an actual client at this stage to run this with. And obviously I wouldn't show you a direct client interaction anyway, but I'm just showing you from a general point of view. Okay, so personality, you can choose personality. You give it additional instructions. I've set the maximum messages limit to 5 because I don't want to pester the customer too much. Times out at 24 hours, and the channel's obviously SMS. So I'll just cancel that. I don't need to save any changes. And basically what this does is it pushes the customer to book an appointment. You can either book an appointment, not book an appointment, or time out. And basically, if it manages to be successful, it'll book it into a calendar. Cancel that. Let's save that. GoHighLevel comes with a number of features, one of which is a calendar. Similar to Calendly, but obviously it's a GoHighLevel interaction. I'll just wait for this to save and we can move out of it. There we go. Okay, so calendars. This is just a blank install at the moment. I don't think I have any booked appointments, but let's book one now. Okay, so I'll create a new contact. So we just go plus. In reality, we wouldn't actually trigger the workflow this way, but for this example, we do. Let's bin that quickly. Launchpad. Okay, we'll just go back to contacts. We'll create a new contact. Sam. Ferg. We'll leave it at that. That's not my full name, but we'll leave it. Sam. That one. Okay, I'll put in the phone number. This is my actual phone number. So we'll actually get an SMS to my phone here, which I will show you as we go through. Okay, and the beauty of GoHighLevel is you can see the SMSs on the screen, so you'll be able to see it as I text back and forth to this particular AI bot. Let's save that. Why is that not working? I don't want that on O. Phone, mobile. That's why. Invalid phone number. Needs another digit. Oh, pause this. Sorry, I'll just have to go through that process again. I have to remove a duplicate contact from earlier testing. Put in my phone number for texting. Save that. Okay, that looks better. Now, good beauty of GoHighLevel is not only can you text, but he will see that message has just come up on my phone. Unfortunately, it comes through with this reply, hey, is this Sam? That's a good start. This is just standard information. You can actually remove it, but for this testing, I haven't bothered to. Okay, so let me answer this. I'll just say, yes, it's me. With my phone. Okay, yes, and it pops up there nicely. Pretty quick GoHighLevel. It'll come through with a response in just a moment. Great. Okay, here's our second one. You can see the AI has understood that yes is a positive sentiment. I'm going to say, yes, I really liked it. That's just texted in on my phone. Oh, where's my camera? There it is. Okay, so AI will be able to understand that and should book in a follow-up appointment, which is what we want. I'll just say yes to that. Okay. Now this one, we've gone to the booking bot, and let's just say tomorrow afternoon. Okay, I've just said tomorrow afternoon on the text, and we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, it gives you a number of times to choose from. We'll say 1:30. Okay, I've just answered at 1:30. Yes. Okay. I can't remember. Okay, so it's given me an appointment. Fantastic. Okay, and you'll see in calendars, February 3rd, should now be an appointment. I have to choose myself first. Yep, see there's the appointment in your calendar. And so that's all done. You can just imagine, this is a very simple example, but you can imagine the power of how you can save yourself a lot of time as an agent by booking these appointments and just getting through your open for inspections this way, and how much time you can save and how you can get to those buyers quicker and filter out all the tire kickers. Okay, all right, thanks very much.